Hi my angels, welcome back to my session. This is Anamika here, and today I am here with a new video, and I am super excited to announce this, that I am starting a new series in which I am going to do the bridal series. I have done this previously when I just started my channel 2 years or 2.5 years ago. I did this bridal series in which I had covered all the bridal makeup, in which I was showing all the state brides makeup, and this time I have come up with a new concept in which I'm going to do the Haldi makeup look, and then I'll be showing you how to make a upton for brides. Then there is mehendi, different sorts of makeup look for bridal looks, and I think this series will connect me with you guys. I hope you guys will enjoy, because it is the wedding season, and I hope you guys will surely connect with everything I'm saying. And even I have done a nose piercing somewhere. It does come from the culture itself, so I have even done it recently. I just wanted to get my nose pierced, so even there is a video coming on my nose piercing. I think it's gonna help all the upcoming bride-to-be's, and I hope this video will also help you. I have done a very minimum look on me today. Apart from the makeup, I did not wear any flower jewelries or anything, and I want to make this look for everyone, not only for the bride, even for the bridesmaid and all the girls out there, and even who are attending their cousin's wedding, and they just want to wear bright color. I hope you guys will surely enjoy this tutorial. If you do, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, because वो बहुत important है, and even hit the bell button so you'll be notified with all my videos coming up. So yeah, we'll hope for the best for the series. Please wish me luck so that मेरा ध्यान ना भटके. So yeah, let's start with this video now. So first I'll be priming my face, and for that I'm going with this MAC Fix Plus, and I've been using this for a year now, and I really don't want to change to any other primer, honestly speaking, because this really makes my base look very fresh, and it keeps on the makeup for a really long time. So just in case if you want to buy this, it's a perfect product for any brides out there. And yeah, now I'm going to spritz this all over my face. And as this is a bridal makeup, I'll surely go with a high coverage foundation. For that I'm going with this Maybelline Superstay 24-Hour Full Coverage Foundation. Really long name. So now I'm done with the foundation, moving on to concealer. And for that I'm going with this Fit Me Concealer from Maybelline. And I'll be going on the usual areas I normally highlight. And I'll again blend this out with the same beauty sponge. And I'm even going to prime my lids with the same concealer. And now I'll be setting everything on its place with this Makeup Revolution Luxury Banana Powder. And now for contouring my face, I'll be going with this shade from Makeup Revolution Ultra Sculpt and Contour Kit Ultra Light Medium C04. And I'll be going with this on the usual areas I normally like to contour my face. So my base is almost done, and now I'll be moving on to my eyebrows, and I'll be doing that off the camera because you have seen me doing eyebrows lots of times, and even I have a routine, so you can check out in this eye and for now I'll just go and be back. So guys, done filling in my brows. Now I am going to move on to my eyes, but before that I am going to do a step, and for that I'm going to take the same powder which I have used earlier for setting my face. It's a loose powder from Makeup Revolution, and I am going to apply this underneath my eyes because I'm going to work with lots of dark colors today and I don't want any fallouts to stick onto my base, so I'm going to do this. And guys, today I am super excited to play with all the colors from this palette right here, and this is the Makeup Revolution Demi X Tropical Carnival eyeshadow palette, which is like my one of the favorites nowadays. And can you just see the gorgeous colors in there? For my first transition shade, I'll be going with this color right here. And I have picked up a very less amount in this brush because I really want to build up the color. And as you can see, I'm going with this on the crease area and blending it back and forward motion. And I think I'm really happy with the color payoff, so I'm going to move on to the next color. And I'll be going the black color just above this previous color. Very less on my brush, and I'm going to place this on the outer V very lightly, and as you can see, I'm just stamping this. And I'm just taking this over here, making a V. I think I would like to change my brush. You can see I just made a V out here. Going back with the same brush, but there is no product. Going with very less amount of the previous shade. And blending in this corner. See, the key of a perfect eyeshadow look is you have to make sure that you're blending it really well. So I'm just doing that. Again, picked up a tiny amount. And I hope you understood that why I did not pick up the previous shade, this shade here at once, because I wanted to keep it very light first and then build it up with other colors. So as you can see, after applying the black, I have taken little more of that color and build it up the whole situation right here. You can see how blended this looks right now. Before it was like a block of color, but now it has a very nice diffused edge, like both of the colors are mixing together. And now moving on to the next shade, the pink color from the palette, and I'm applying this just right here where the black has end. And I think I'll need a little bit of MAC Fix Plus. Now again, I'm going with a little bit of black and diffusing the edges. And again going with the first shade and my crease and blending it with the pink shadow. And next I'm going with this yellow shade, taking again some Fix Plus, and I'll be applying this over here. So guys, done with the eyes. Not really happy with the yellow shade because it's not sticking. Like, I have tried MAC Fix Plus, I've tried my finger, it's very chalky. But still we are going to work with this look. Next I'll again go with this shade and just blend it out on this area. Just the black and the red. not touching the yellow. And now for tag lining and waterlining, I'm going with this Nykaa Rock the Line Kajal. And now I'll be smoking out the lower lash line with the same color. And now I'll be going with this Miss Claire Golden Glitter eyeliner on the crease line. So guys, I'm done with this eyes. Actually, the battery was blinking and I thought, why not, I'll charge it and finish off this eyes. So now I am moving on to this. As you can see, I'm done with the glitter. Now I'm going with liner and then I'll be applying my mascara. And for the liner, I'm going with this Sugar I Want You So eyeliner. This is the double matte eyeliner and I'm going with a very thick wing today. And now for mascara, I'm going with this Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara on the top and even on my bottom lashes. And now as my eyes are done, I am going to remove this powder from my face. As you can see, all the fallouts are just here on the powder itself. It did not ruin my base makeup, so I'm just going to, brush it off now. And now for the blusher, I'm going with this pink shade. From Makeup Revolution Iconic Blush Bronze and Brighten Flesh palette. And I'll be going with this on the apples of my cheeks. And now for the highlighter, I'm going with this Wet n Wild Mega Glow Highlighter Illuminator from Wet n Wild. I think I said that twice, no problem. I'm going with this beautiful, very gorgeous highlighter. And today I'll be going with this Real Techniques brush. It's actually a blending brush, but I think I love using this for my highlighter and I have not been using this from a while. So I thought, and I'll be going with the usual areas I normally highlight. I'm even going with this on the brow bone area. So I'm done with my base and eyes. Now I'm just left with my lips, and for that I'm going with this Maybelline, I always forget this name, Maybelline Color Sensation Creamy Matte. Yes, I think it's the matte one. I am not sure. I'm going to put it in the description box. Please do check it out. And this is in the shade Pink My Red. So I'm going with this now. And this is really complementing my eyes, as you can see. So loving it. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this colorful makeup tutorial, a Haldi makeup tutorial for brides and all the beautiful girls out there. So yes, this is the complete makeup look and this is very colorful, as you can see, and color makes me feel really happy. So you can see how happy I am creating this look, and I just feel like talking to you guys. I really want to talk to all of you, and please comment karo yaar. I really want to have a conversation with you all. So if you enjoyed, do let me know in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the bell button, like this video if you enjoyed, and follow me on all my social media handles. Everything is listed in the description box, and even you'll get all the makeup details in the description box. So do check it out. And I really don't want to make this video super long. So we'll see you in my next one. Till then, love you all. Bye.